Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Valentin and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for stuffed mushrooms. For this we're going to need the next ingredients. Here I have 12 large mushrooms, 200 grams of grated cheese, 50 grams of butter, 30 grams of parmesan, 50 grams of parsley, 2 cloves of garlic which I grated already, salt and pepper of course. This is just for the mushrooms. On the right side I have the ingredients for the salad. I'm gonna make a dressing, which one is gonna be with honey, Dijon mustard, olive oil, salt, pepper and cider vinegar. For the salad I'm gonna use baby spinach, round salad and spring onion. Let's get started. Now I'm gonna show you how to prep the mushrooms. We're going to remove the stem. The stem we're gonna save it for later, for filling. We're gonna remove the skin. After I prep them all, I'm gonna cook them for 8 minutes, 180 degrees. Now I'm gonna do the mixture for the mushrooms. Now I'm gonna do the dressing for the salad. You can use this dressing for any type of salad. Two tablespoons of vinegar. Six tablespoons of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 of honey, now our dressing is ready. I will prep the salad now. After cooking the mushroom for 8 minutes, I will fill it out. After filling the mushrooms, we're gonna put them back in the oven for 10 minutes. This is the final result. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.